Diet tips for the endomorph body type. The human body comes in all shapes and sizes. There are many types of body. For example, individuals with pear-shaped bodies are known for having the characteristic wide hips and thin upper bodies. On the other hand, individuals with an apple-shaped body have heavier bodies and thinner legs. Both pear-shaped and apple-shaped bodies fall under the endomorph category. Both these types of bodies have a round and wide form. Of course, appearance is not everything. If you put on weight quickly, then you are also considered an endomorph. This is especially true when you are not exercising enough. However, endomorphs are also living active lifestyles when they have the ability to bulk up quickly. Unfortunately, people born with an endomorph body type are usually difficult to lose weight. However, this does not mean that there is nothing an endomorph can do to improve its physique. There are many things to be kept in mind while following the endomorph diet. Following are some suggestions for effective endomorph dieting. Pay attention to the carbs you eat. If you are really serious about losing weight, then you need to consume your carbohydrates. The importance of focusing on this aspect of your diet cannot be stressed enough. It is important to remember that your body does not process metabolism like a naturally thin person does. To avoid problems, you need to make sure that you limit your carbohydrate intake. However, this does not mean that you need to cut it out of your diet altogether. After all, it is still a major macronutrient that your body needs. Just make sure you only eat slow-burning carbs. Stay away from processed foods. It is no secret that consuming lots of processed foods is not good for your diet. In fact, doing so will more than likely get in the way of your progress and set you back significantly. Do not be fooled by the perceived nutritional benefits that this type of food brings. For example, many of them claim that they are low in fat but are actually loaded with simple fast-burning sugars. Make sure to eat only healthy fats. It is a common misconception among endomorph eaters that all types of fats are bad for you. However, this is simply not the case. In fact, staying away from fat altogether based on this widespread myth can actually make your diet sick. While trans fats and saturated fats are considered bad for your health, there are forms of fats that are good for you. Eggs and salmon are good sources of healthy fats. Make sure that you get enough of it in your diet. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.